everyone, this is Erin from Sadler Science. Most of us are in the process of shifting to some type of remote learning, and many of the resources that we used in our classrooms don't easily translate to the digital world. One type of resource we use in our classroom is PDFs. Though we may have the ability to edit a PDF, our students likely don't have those resources. So today, I'm going to show you a few quick and easy ways to convert PDFs to digital resources using Google Presentations. Why should we use Google Presentations? Well, Google Presentations allow students to make modifications to a slide in many different ways. They can add shapes, arrows, text boxes, audio, and so many more components. Once you've created a task for your students to complete using Google Presentations, you can easily post it directly to Google Classroom. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to create a new Google presentation, and then I'm going to reformat the slide size in order to fit the size of my PDF document. So I'm going to go to File, Page Setup, and then I'm going to select Custom, and I'm going to do 8.5 by 11 because that's the size of the document that I'm going to be using today. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my PDF document, and there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. So the first one I'm going to show you is pretty easy, but it's a little bit lower quality. The other problem with this is it's a little bit more time consuming if you're doing a large document, but it works really well if you just have 1 or 2 pages. So I just shrunk this document down so that I could see the entire page. And then I'm just going to use my snipping tool. And I am just going to snip the entire page. And then I will just do Control C to copy. And Control V to paste it. And then I can just drag it to resize my document. So notice that the image quality is a little bit poor here. It definitely loses something when you do that, so just be aware that that can happen. The other way that you can do this is you can go to pdf-to-image.com, and you're going to just make sure that PDF to JPEG is selected. You could also do a PDF to a PNG file. So I'm going to click Upload Files, and I'm going to select my document. And then I will click Download All. And it's going to create a zip file. So when you go to insert these images into your Google presentation, you're going to go into your folder and it's not going to be there. And the reason is because the file is still zipped. So what I like to do is I just go into the zipped folder, and it creates this subfolder in there, and I just bump it up 1 level. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the number of slides that for the number of images that I have. And I have 7. And then I'm going to go up to each individual slide, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to click Change Background and choose an image. And then I'm going to upload the images. And then we have the background image. It can't be pulled or adjusted by the students. It's just set like that. Then what you can do is go ahead and add in text boxes so that your students can write directly into the slide. So I've inserted text boxes into each box, and they are various sizes to fit the box. So when a student clicks on the box, they'll be able to just type their answer in. So this is tiny and it's a little difficult to see. So you want to make sure that your students know how to use the zoom button over here on the right. And they can zoom in until it's comfortable for them to see, and then they can just type into these boxes that you have created for them. And that is just about it. It's really easy. I'm going to go back through and I'm going to enter the rest of the pictures for the rest of the slideshow, and then this will be good to upload directly into Google Classroom. If you have any questions, just let me know.